So you've been at this for a while. You've put in the hours, you've studied the charts, and you've definitely had a few of those, well, let's call them character-building meltdowns. But here's the thing. The most important shifts on your way to becoming a profitable trader, they're totally invisible. They happen inside your head, not in your account balance. So today we're going to pull back the curtain on the 5 subtle signs that prove you are right on the edge of a major breakthrough.
Does this hit a little too close to home? I mean, it's one of the most maddening things about trading. You're doing all the work, you feel like you're getting smarter, but your account just isn't reflecting it. It feels like you're just spinning your wheels in the mud. And honestly, this feeling is the exact reason so many people quit right before the magic happens.
Okay, let's get right into the heart of it, because this is probably the biggest reason traders fail. They are looking at the wrong scoreboard. You expect your bank account to grow at the same pace as your knowledge, but you know what? That's just not how this game is played.
Think about it this way. Your profit and loss, your P&L, that's a lagging indicator. It's the result. It's the very last thing to catch up. But your behavior, your discipline, your mindset, those are the leading indicators. They're the things that have to change first, and they're the true signal that the financial results are about to follow. So the real question is, are you measuring your progress by how much money you made today, or by how well you actually followed your plan?
To really get this, I want to share a metaphor that is just perfect for a trader's journey, the Chinese bamboo tree. It's this incredible lesson in patience, and you guessed it, building an invisible foundation. So check this out. For 4 long years, you water that bamboo seed, and you see absolutely nothing. Just a little patch of dirt. It looks like total failure from the outside. But here's what's really going on. Underneath the surface, this massive, complex root system is spreading out, getting strong. Then in year 5, it just explodes. It shoots up 80 feet in just a few weeks. What you're doing right now, in the frustrating phase, you're building your roots. So now that we've got that idea of building roots in our head, let's talk about the very first sign that your root system is getting strong. It's this big shift from frantic, constant action to a powerful, strategic stillness. You're going from being the rabbit to being the lion.
So sign number 1 is what I like to call the action detox. It's that moment you realize you don't have to be in a trade all the time. You actually start to feel comfortable, even powerful, doing nothing. You finally understand that your capital is way safer just sitting on the sidelines until your A+ setup appears.
You know, when we start out, we're like this nervous little rabbit in a field, right? We're jumping at every little sound, chasing every flicker on the screen. But as you evolve, you become the lion. You can sit there in the grass for hours, totally still, just watching, waiting for that one single high-probability moment to strike. If the setup isn't a perfect 10 out of 10, you don't even think about clicking the mouse.
That powerful patience, it leads us right into our next 2 signs. And these are all about a fundamental rewiring of your brain, a total change in how you think about winning and losing.
Okay, sign number 2 is how you see your stop loss. An amateur sees a losing trade as a personal insult. It feels like the market is attacking them, that they're a failure. But the professional? They see it for exactly what it is, a business expense. It's just the cost of doing business. It's like paying rent for your spot in the market. You just log it as data, and you move on to the next one. No drama.
And this chart really nails sign number 3, the flattening of your emotions. Look at the amateur. They're on this wild emotional roller coaster. A big win makes them feel like a genius, and a loss sends them into a spiral of doom. But look at the professional. The bars are almost flat. A win doesn't cause euphoria, and a loss doesn't cause depression. It's just a process playing out, day in and day out. Now for the final stage of evolution, which covers our last 2 signs. This is when you finally shift from desperately searching for some magic answer out there to having this quiet confidence in your own system and your own ability to execute it. Sign number 4 is a big one. You stop system hopping. You're not spending every weekend on YouTube looking for the next holy grail indicator anymore. And why is that? Because you've finally accepted a simple truth. every single strategy has losing streaks. You've developed this deep, intimate knowledge of your own system. You know its personality, its strengths, its weaknesses, and you have unshakable trust in its edge over the long run.
This is the perfect way to frame it. The gambler at the casino gets all emotional and panics after one bad hand of blackjack. But the casino? The house doesn't freak out when someone hits a jackpot. They just smile and keep the doors open because they have total trust in their long-term mathematical edge. You know you're getting close when you finally start thinking like the house.
And the final sign, number 5, is that trading has become, well, boring. And I'm telling you, that is a beautiful, beautiful thing. It's not a high-speed chase for adrenaline anymore. It's a job. You have a routine you never break. You prepare, you define your trading hours, and you execute your plan. Hope is completely gone, and it's been replaced by cold, hard preparation.
Okay, so all of this sounds good in theory, but how can you actually measure this internal progress? Let's make it practical. Let's build your new internal scoreboard.
So here's your homework. I want you to go look at your last 20 trades and forget about whether they were winners or losers. Instead, grade yourself on these 5 things. 1. Did I follow my rules to the letter? 2. Did I use my planned risk amount? 3. Did I wait for my setup to fully form? 4. Did I step away for a bit after a loss? And 5. Did I stay calm and neutral the whole time?
And here is the whole point of this. If you can honestly look at your trades and check off 4 out of these 5 boxes consistently, then, my friend, the money is already on its way. You've already won the real battle, the one that happens between your ears. The market just hasn't gotten around to updating your account balance yet.
You see, profitability isn't some destination you just arrive at one day. It's a version of yourself that you have to become. So that struggle you're feeling right now, that frustration, it isn't a sign that you're failing. It's the sign of a transformation. It's the difficult, painful process of your old, impulsive self dying away, so the patient, disciplined professional can finally emerge and take the controls. You are so much closer than you think.
If you realize today that you're closer than you thought, subscribe to stay grounded on this journey to mastery.